Hi, today I'm for the OPPO Reno 8C and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. But first I'll just change the settings to enter the home screen after unlocking just directly. So let's just check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, face unlock feature works here so fast and correct. We just successfully unlock the device just less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock. I just want to suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful and don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.